Erokamano nyameli Center Vyambo achiel kachiel koya county ma Kisumu kuom mano bendi luwana kotende kod chendono mar keyo pie county no ma Kisumu. Nyakura mgajwang kwa duogo kata kwaya county ma Kisumu odoge county ma Nairobi kama jatend Migago mar arita Kithure Kindiki ochope mbele committee mar od bura mano mangi arita mapachoka ahinya to oduoko penjo ewi tulo mosebede tong Kericho gi Kisumu kanyakla kod weche njore gwenge mamoko e hoho maroka kwa dhi achiel kachiel nyaki od bura nyakura mgajwang wawinje mano madhi mbele kotendre kod twak makamano.
First, making public announcement on the particular areas where we wanted members of the public who could be there to vacate. And as I've said, these are not habitual places of residence. These are gorges and caves where criminals were hiding. But the reason we followed this route is that we discovered that what these bandits had done is that they would steal livestock and retreat and stay in those places which are inaccessible and remote, and they would stay there for several months, and therefore they had invited civilians whom we thought or we assumed could be, some of them could be members of their families, who may not necessarily be armed bandits, to live there with them. That's why we made the announcement and provided an opportunity for any law-abiding citizen who was in those places to get out. And that is in accordance with the established procedures of international law of conducting security operations. The situation has improved. We were able to flush out dangerous criminals from all the gazetted areas. And some of them, or many of them, used the 24-hour window we had offered to escape. But we had no alternative because we needed to provide any civilians in those places with time to move out. But those places now have been completely cleansed, and there are no criminals living in all the areas that were gazetted. Over the time that the operation has been going on, we have been able to recover in excess of 200 firearms voluntarily surrendered. We have deliberately delayed a forceful disarmament for strategic reasons, but we will get there because we believe there are many more illegal arms in the hands of unauthorized people in that area. But as a strategic measure, we have delayed that process, but we must get there at some point because every illegal firearm in the hands of unauthorized people must be handed over to the government, either voluntarily or by force. Honorable Chair, we have registered significant successes. First, it is the first time we have a police-led, KDF-supported operation under the new constitution and Article 241. It has worked very well. The relationship between the security agencies has been wonderful. The input of other agencies, including NPR, has been exemplary. That is a good lesson for us in this space. Before we declared the operation, there was almost zero recovery. When livestock used to be stolen in those places, the recovery was minimal. But I'm happy to report, Chair,